Coronavirus explained easily. Amin got infected yesterday, but he won't know until 14 days later. Amin thinks he is healthy and is infected 10 persons per day. These 10 persons think they are okay. They travel, go out, and infect 100 persons. These 100 persons think they are healthy and keep infecting 1,000 persons. No one knows who is okay or who cannot infect you. Do you understand why it's important to stay at home? Be responsible. Stay in quarantine. Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. This time we have a news, and our news is about coronavirus. Coronavirus in Indonesia. Indonesia estimates more than 500,000 had contact with virus suspects. Indonesia has estimated the number of people who have had possible contact with COVID-19 suspects to be more than 500,000, the authorities said on Friday, March 20, as the government started rapid testing for the virus on its population. The high-risk group of between 600,000 and 700,000 people are scattered across the country, with South Jakarta being the worst hit, the authorities said. Earlier, President Joko Widodo said in a statement broadcast live on national television that Indonesia started rapid testing for the virus on Friday afternoon. We are doing it in areas based on our contact tracing of the coronavirus patients. We are going door to door to test people, Mr. Joko said. The result of our mapping indicates the hardest hit area is South Jakarta. He did not disclose the other locations. Indonesia, the world's fourth most populous country with a 270 million population, is catching up with the testing its citizens who might be carrying the coronavirus infections, as the government faces mounting criticism for being slow in detecting infections. Indonesia announced its first 2 cases of coronavirus on March 2nd. There have been several cases where patients with pneumonia were detected to have had coronavirus only after they died or just a day prior to their deaths. Mr. Ahmad Yuryanto, the government spokesman for the management of COVID-19, the disease caused by the virus, told a media briefing on Friday that the country had 60 fresh cases, bringing to the total infections to 369 as of Friday. Total deaths rose by 7 to 32, the highest death tally in South Asia. 17 patients have recovered. Meanwhile, the head of the country's Red Cross that reiterates that Indonesia is likely to have a far higher number of coronavirus cases than it has reported, due to low level of testing and needs to consider tougher measures like lockdowns. The country went from 0 reported cases to 309 in less than 3 weeks. If the tests are low, then the cases are low, said Mr. Joseph Kalla, a former two-term vice president of Indonesia and chairman of the country's Red Cross, adding that the true number of cases should be revealed once Indonesia gets more test results from laboratories to step up testing. This is the end of our news for today. Thank you very much for watching. For our support, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.